Hey, welcome back to the Northwest Wisconsin Workshop. I'm Tom, and if you haven't been here yet, welcome. So this is just a quick video of the final testing for the automatic dust boot working with the RapidChange ATC, and I kept everything simple. I saw that Francis with Francis Creations had some programming videos out there using some other things with the Altmill Super Longboard EXT. So I wanted to keep it simple. I'm doing everything with the flood pin, and I got everything working just fine. I'll be coming very soon. Hopefully I'm going to get the video done today for the programming and trying to get my final videos out here for the RapidChange ATC and the auto dust boot. But I wanted to get everything working properly the way that I like it, and the way that it's going to keep it simple for everyone, you know, watching. So here we go. Here's the final testing that you can see on the ATC with the auto dust boot. You can see kind of how it works here. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.